How to post in LinkedIn. Let's get started. Launch your LinkedIn app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. At the bottom, you'll find different options. Tap on the option post, open it. Now you will see this option of more. Tap on it. With that, different options will appear. Now you are able to post photo or video, template, event, job, poll, document, services. So you can choose any of the option. For now, I'm gonna post template. Firstly, you can select the background for your template, and then you can type in the text. After you are done, you can tap on done. Tap on done again. Now tap on next. From here, you can add anything to your post. Likewise, by tapping on this drop down, you are able to select who can see your post. Also, you can control comment in your post. Tapping on this icon, you can schedule your post. After you are done, you can tap on the option of post. And with that, I have just posted template in my LinkedIn account. This is how you can easily post in LinkedIn. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.